Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to import your bookmarks, browsing history, and other data from Firefox to Yandex Browser. If you've recently made the switch or want all your saved content in one place, this guide is exactly what you need. Let's begin. Open Yandex Browser on your computer. Go to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once in the Settings menu, stay in the General Settings section. Scroll down until you find the Import Data option, then click on it. A new window will appear. From the list of browsers, select Firefox. Now check the boxes next to the types of data you want to import. You can choose bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and more. Wait a few seconds for the import to complete. Once done, click on Done to finish the process. That's it. Your data from Firefox is now safely imported into Yandex Browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you soon.